Today, we'll be showing you how to remove and replace your user interface on this LG electric dryer. Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of repair videos on the latest technology. And for a limited time, you can save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all of our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time. Stop. Before beginning any repair, always be sure to disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for the proper voltage. You will need the following tools to complete this repair. The main reasons why you'd be replacing your display PCB would be if this turn knob might not be turning and acting correct. Sometimes I've seen where you turn it and it'll skip cycles, or it will not go one way, it will only go the other. You may have some functionality on here that isn't working, or your display is not working correctly. These are all indicators that you have a bad display board. Now, the first thing we'll want to do, put your knee on the front of the door, and we have to remove this knob. It's really on there, so put your knee on it. You'll have to really pull forward to slide it out. Set that to the side. Next, we'll go ahead and open the door. There are multiple Phillips screws around the perimeter that will have to be removed. Next, we will pull forward and lift up on our plate. Set this to the side. Now this is the display board portion through here. The first thing I would do is we're going to take off this Molex here, and you'll just push it in and separate. Next, we have a couple of Phillips screws on the top. They'll have to be taken off. Once you have taken this off, we're going to pull them out, set the assembly to the side. When installing your new display portion here, first we will bring it in. Your knob will correspond with the knob hole here, and of course on the bottom, these go into slotted areas on the door. So it can only go on one way. Get it lined up and start to reinstall your screws. Do not over torque these, as it's just going into plastic. Next, let's reinstall our Molex and put it into the strain relief portion. And when we are reinstalling the cover here, these spots right here will go into the slotted areas on the door. So bring it in at an angle and then straighten it out. We will reinstall all of the screws. Close the door and we will reinstall the knob. Now inside the knob, there is a flat portion that will correspond to the actual shaft inside of here. So you have to look inside, see where the flat spot is, put your knob in that direction, push it down to lock it in place, and this will complete your repair. Thank you for watching another quality video from ApplianceVideo.com. If you found this video helpful, make sure you click the like and subscribe to our channel.